We ain't gotta keep this on the low. Don't do it fast.
Today I'm going to be video sniping the person known as at k7z. I have to get 2 kills on him before the video ends.
Enemy spot. Enemy spotted. It was at this moment he knew. He Oh, great heavens!
Did you pray today? Did you pray today? Did you pray today? Because if you did it, I'ma have to dig you down on some gangster shit. Make sure that you're praying, bro. Making sure that your soul is better, bro. Make sure you're raising your spirits, bro.